Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you on how you can change colors by layer in Bambu Studio. So the first thing that you want to do is to simply add a project filament. So in my case, I'm going to delete my preset right here. And to add your filament, you can just click on the plus icon. From here, it will then add this bar. And then you want to select the color that you want to change your model into. In my case, I'm going to select something simple like this red color. Click on the OK button, and from there, we now have two filaments on our project. If you want to change multiple colors on your layer, you can simply keep adding filaments right here. But in my case, to make things easier, I'll just proceed with two. Click on the slice plate option. It will then slice our plate right here. And basically to proceed, the way that you can apply your color is to navigate through the progression bar right here. And you want to navigate through the part where you want to change colors. So in my case, I want to apply it on the middle one right here. Right click on it, click on change filament, and then you can now select the color that you want to apply. From there, it will then change the color of our progression bar, which will now apply our color. So from here, to apply the changes, simply click on the slice plate once more. And basically from there, we are good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.